So you can see I have created this tool AI match predictor, and this is free using Replit, and you can select any of the team like Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super King. It will create a generation of match prediction. So it is very easy, and I have added it to my WordPress website within a few seconds. So you can see this is a match prediction. So how I added this free tool using Replit to my WordPress website. So first of all, you need to log in to Replit. So you can see this is my Replit account where I have given this simple prompt: create AI IPL match prediction tool for my WordPress website. You can enter your other information as well, this type of tool you want. I just giving you example, and it took a few minutes to create it. You can see it automatically created this tool for me, and it provided me this link which you can open here. This is a tool link which I got from here. You can see this is by Replit only, and it created within few minutes. It took few minutes to create this, and I have not done any coding. I have just created my free account. You can see it is asking me to upgrade, so it is a free of cost. So after getting this link from Replit, how I edit it to my website. So I just need to copy this link, and then you can, if you are not good in coding, then you can go to any AI tool like ChatGPT or any other else, and you can ask for embedded coding. Like you can see in I have asked the coding. You can see this is a embedded code, iframe code, which I got from. If you are not comfortable, you can simply mention I want to add this link to my WordPress website, this page. So it will provide you iframe like this, or you can use the full page iframe, full width iframe code here as well. So this you can see this link. I've just given one prompt. Just let me show you the prompt as well. I have created tool using Replit here. You can copy this prompt. I have created the tool using Replit. Here is the link of the tool. You can see this is the link of the tool. Now I want to add this tool to my WordPress page. So it has provided me embedded coded, this embedded code, and this one as well, two embedded coded. So I use this full width, and what I need to do, how to do, I need to go to my WordPress website now. So this is the page of my WordPress website. So how I did it, I just enter title and description. This is the code where I entered. So how to add this code? Let me add it by add it again. Let me copy the code, and I need to just add another frame here. Click on this plus button. You can type custom HTML, and here you can simply paste this code and click on this save button. After saving this, you can simply refresh your page, and this tool will come up on your WordPress website. So this is for beginners. This is not for pro WordPress people. So if you are a beginner in WordPress, or you want to add any tool, you want to create your own tool and add it to your website, so this is the way, simple way you can add it to your page, and you can do further modification, or if you want more specific tool, then you can also create a specific tool. I just given a example because IPL matches are going on, so I created this IPL related page, and this tool I added to my website. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. And in case you face any problem, you can mention that problem in the comment section. I'll make sure to give reply. And if you find this video helpful, just turn the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.